Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Master Andrew Matter Day. Today we're gonna continue with running science and elementary technology. Today we're gonna run our unit number 2, toys, materials, and teaching and elementary and running aids. So this video is created specifically for teachers, designed for teachers. Dear teachers, hope you this video will find you well and will help you to prepare nicely unit number 2. Let's go. Introduction to creative toy making. This unit has explored the exciting world of creating toys and running aids using everyday materials. Discover how simple resources can spark imagination and facilitate learning. Crafting with paper, paper folding, paper cutting, paper mash. Those are type of crafting with paper you're gonna teach the students. Natural fiber banana stems. This is an sustainable material offer natural texture and surprising durability for creating projects. Examples of toy made from banana fibers. You can take a look about the picture below. So let's continue with sorghum sticks, building blocks, structured toys, utilize sorghum sticks for constructing study and the imaginative models like this house. And also you can make all the geometric shapes, run about the geometry by assembling various shapes and forms, by constructing rectangle, triangle, cycle, something like within the stick of sorghum. Let's continue the upcycling household items, transform everyday items like boxes, bottles, tops, trays, stick into engaging toys. This is for more creativity and resourcefulness. You can even creating the cardboard boxes like this one, cars within the materials. You can create cars, you can create a house, you can create puppets within the available materials. Bottle tops use the way to decorative element like this one. This is a bag which is created within the bottle, within the tops of the bottle, something like that. Thread and stick connected by or add movable features. So this is a drone created within the sorghum stick and something like that, within the paper, within the thread and something like that. So plastic paper stick and thread, combine plastic paper stick and thread make a lightweight and dynamic toy. This combination is ideal for creating items that move or fly. Example: crafting cat and graders. Creating something you can fly by using papers, by using thread, by using something like that. So let's continue with sculpting with dry soil. We can molding pictures, we can make the textual exploration like this one, we can drawing and hardening. So let us continue with the power of play and running, creating toys from diverse materials to foster creativity, problem solving skills, understanding of different properties of matter. These activities are essential for hands-on running. So let us focus on creativity, encourage imagination thinking, problem solving, develop creative thinking, material science. It can teach about property of materials. So let us continue with summary and exercise. This unit has provided formation for making toys and running aid from various accessible materials. Now apply your knowledge to practical exercise. So you can provide those exercises to use the materials, record the property of the each materials, use design a toys, creating new toys using these two materials, build and share, construct the toys and present it in class.